So today I am going to show you how to make cookie cake. See how nice it's crunchy and soft it is. See how. So let's start our recipe. Hi friends, today I am going to show you how to make cookie cake. It will be very crunchy and soft cookie cake, and it is healthy, and it will be of wheat flour. So let's start our recipe. I have taken here one pan. I have taken here non-stick pan. So I will put here 1/4 cup of butter. This butter is on room temperature. Let the butter get melt. The butter is slightly get melt. So now I will put 1/4 cup of dark chocolate. I have taken here grated dark chocolate. I have taken here 1/4 cup of dark chocolate, which is grated, and mix it with the butter. Give a good mix to it. So we have get it a good mix. Now I will off the flame. So now we are going to make the dough. So first I have taken here 1/2 cup of wheat flour. 1/2 cup of wheat flour. 5 tablespoons of powdered sugar. 1/2 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Cocoa powder is optional. Then 1/4 tablespoon of powder, means baking powder only. 1/8 tablespoon of baking soda. And now give it a mix. Now I am going to put this chocolate ganache which we have made. So I have mixed here the chocolate ganache which we have made. Give it a good mix. We have to make a dough. So now I will put some milk. Put slowly. We have to make a dough. So I have keep the spatula aside, and I have make a dough out of it. So I am making the dough out of it. Make a smooth and soft dough. So now we will add some oil. We will add. So I have made here a smooth and soft dough. So I have made here a smooth and soft dough. So now let's make balls out of it. I have made a small balls out of it. So now let's roll it. So I have made here 5 balls out of it. So now it's looking too oily. So let's keep it in a refrigerator for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes I have kept these balls in the freezer, means on the refrigerator. So I will take out these balls and again press it like this and make a ball. And now I will take a plate here and make it in a square size like this. Like this we have to make it in the square. You can make any shape out of it which you like. Make a big one, means only it will look like a cookie cake. So like this we have to make the squares. I will keep this aside, and I have here some leftover butter. So I will spread this on the plate everywhere. You can use oil instead of the butter to grease on the plate. Because of butter, the cookie cake will be easily take out. So now next also I will do like that only. So I have make all these squares out of all the dough of the balls. So now let's keep in a kadhai. As well you can use the pressure cooker also. So now I have preheated this kadhai for 5 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes. I have keep inside some salt and upside stand. So now let's keep this plate. So I have keep the kadhai and the dough. Now I will close it. I will close it and keep it to cook for just 10 minutes. As well you will cook it over, so it will get a cookie. So let's wait for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes let's check our cookie cake. So it's completely baked properly. It must be soft. So now let's take out the plate. I have off the flame. So here's our cookie cake is ready. See how it's easily taking out. So now I am going to add some chocolate sauce upside it. It's totally optional to it. And this is my homemade piping bag. I will cut this much of piece. See how you can give any design to it, like this. See, it's too much coming. So I have decorated it with the chocolate sauce. So I am going to transfer in it another plate if you want. So see, our cookie cake is ready. See how yummy and tasty it looks. So don't forget to try this recipe at home and enjoy this recipe.